Chilli has like lube as his emblem or something.
Lube?
With a turd in it.
What the hell?
Hey look, we're against noobs. Woo! Can I ask, why do everybody think it's amazing to put dicks in their emblem?
Oh no, it's weird, isn't it?
Just showing how gay formative they are, you know.
Look, dick, get over it.
Look at my dick, yeah, it's so big, yeah. The one in the game is mid.
You don't get it, do you? Emblems represent people. They also want a dick. Because they need one or they're gay. You know, just the usual stuff.
Or they take one.
There's nothing wrong with being gay, it's just we don't want to know about it, thank you very much.
Informatized, isn't it?
Gay formative. That's a new word I made up.
Bomb online.
I would like to say it's a pretty good word.
Us says transforming. Your word is transformed in in Latin of a way.
I got killed by a riot shield. You son of a bitch, you killed my brother!
Throwing frag.
Da-da-da-da.
I've got a hunter killer already.
Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
Double kill clock.
The bomb has
They're
Oh my god!
We've won this straight away, are you
destroy
kidding
him
me?
From the rear.
bomb offline.
What? How did he fall off? I watched that.
Somebody protect me, I'm planting a B.
No, I'm heading there now.
They're all gonna go for A, but you know.
Bomb deactivated.
Okay, all going for A was an understatement. I think the only way to shoot butt related is.
Oh, little cunt flash me. Oh, Reese, get him. He's a B.
Smash A. Nice.
Like a mouse.
There's one coming up towards you, by the way, Reese.
Bomb is armed. Hostile counter waving above. Regards down.
I'm licking my ice cream while I'm doing this. Licking it.
Bomb defused.
Would you like a little
You're
lick
licking more than ice cream,
my
boy.
lollipop?
Be advised. Hostile lightning strike.
Okay, I shot this body thinking it was alive. Because I'm an idiot. And I'm stuck. No, there we go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my god! Why is it always the kid with a shotgun?
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Tom, how you doing?
Kaboom!
Tom,
How would you like your
How you
eggs in the
doing?
morning?
Fine.
how do you like your eggs in the morning?
Planting the bomb.
I like my movie kids.
Chopper inbound.
Unsatisfied, unsatisfied.
Let's do this for Lesnar, planting the bomb.
my name's
The Chilli is speaking Russian again.
Yeah.
Oh wait, Tommy's going round there.
Oh my god. 7 different angles.
Don't let it get the fuck on you.
UAV awaiting
God.
orders.
I don't want my kids
UAV?
to be negative again.
Inbound.
I'm dead.
Strategy.
Bomb
Some
offline.
sort of extra strategy.
Some sort of strategy. Charge in! Woo!
Oh god, spawn trap.
Neutralized.
That's a new camping spot. I've never seen that one before.
Throwing grenade.
How do you like your eggs in the morning?
Oh my god!
I'm with a kid.
My name's Literate and I like to throw their phones in my bum, dude.
As long as I'm satisfied, as long as I got my keys.
Sticky out.
Go, Ben, I'm following you. I'll cover your ass.
Oh, smash. Flush. Feel that guy's on a kill streak.
Charges.
Get it, coming over shotguns.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Keep your distance from them.
Throwing grenade!
Oh, what? I knifed him. Nope, you're not defusing that bomb, faggot.
Deployed.
I'm gonna get a trap while you don't get it. Oh, got the both. Even better. Reese, I wouldn't go in there. Reese, I'm going round, hold on. Reese, you stay there, right? I'll stay on the corner. We'll wait.
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
We're amazing,
Woo, I'm positive for once.
Don't lose hope.
Oh god, look at that accuracy. There's one right at the end. I was gonna do like one of those jump things. And like,
Time.
Half time switching sides, because now I stand blushing for some reason. What the fuck? Right, I'm gonna defend A.
Objectives.
We can't all go to A.
I'm gonna try and get in the middle of mid B.
they're all going for B, by the way.
Oh, don't. Oh god!
There's 2 guys who think they're ninja assassins who are now planting the bomb at A because they killed everyone there.
Look, now, we went from like 3 beginners to like 6 different top people. Oh no, apart from Joey, he's a faggot.
Ah. I'm losing it. I'm not attacking anymore, so I'm losing my touch.
Oh shit. PCK first, and they're all at you.
Oh yeah, look at that grenade kill. Oh look, grenade RPG. Model.
Oh no. Oh, why did I get killed by a camper who's called Optic Chipmunk?
Oh my god, run! Run! No, stand still, you fool! Run! No.
Smiling, bitch! Oh my god!
Okay, camping to the right, I don't know where
Send
he
your
is.
chipmunk, god damn it. Wait, keep defending A, cause they're negative plant in 5, 4, 3, 2,
I'll be all over it.
Ding ding ding, we have a wiener! Are they slowly trying to get up?
Hostile care
Direction the morning. Race.
bomb online.
They've got the bomb, they've got the bomb.
Oh, whoa!
Throwing grenade!
I'm doing terrible.
They just shoot my grenade at the sky or something, 'cause that was skill if they did.
Let's go!
Oh, I'm getting spawn trapped.
Oh man, I've not my mouse over then.
Guys, did you realise what they're doing, right?
Mouse, no.
Fine, they're drawing us into it. We're getting drawn into it.
No,
Topping up, stand by! Get moving!
they're planting at
Bomb
B,
deactivated.
so we can get to A.
Be advised, hostile.
And then
Yeah, they
I'm
failed,
really
we've won
fine.
this.
Yeah.
We've won this like pros, because we are pros.
Let's go!
Damn it.
Be advised, hostile ATR inbound.
Savior.
Shot out! Lightning strike coordinates received. Inbound.
I couldn't get his riot shield. Oh no, you don't.
I'm all boosting on that knife.
I get blown crap by Death Machine now.
You died
How
for
did
one
you get
time.
diamond on that again? Isn't it all the specialists?
Yeah, all specials: crossbow, ballistic, riot shield, and combat knife.
That must be bloody hard.
Hey, look, I'm at the top again.
I'm licking out my tits again.
Veteran 3 and tactical mask.
I'm always at the top because I'm a specialist here. Look, Reese. The second top score was you with 1,875, and then you just see me.
Cheat.
Big difference.
And then you see my
Right,
new
next
album.
video. I have to start a new video, guys, because one's out of time as well.
Alright, I'm gonna go for a shower in a second because I feel dirty.
No, I just recorded you saying that, dirty boy.
Hold on.
Right, like, comment, subscribe, and you see Ben in public,
that?
as I said before, punch him in the face.